The concept is called RFM. RFM. Recency, frequency, and monetary value. In fact, in many books, it is only R and F, which is recency and frequency. I'll talk about the monetary value as well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. I hope that you people are doing well. In our today's video, I'm going to share with you another formula or another strategy to find out your loyal customers. Just to quickly tell you that we are focusing on coming up with many methods or strategies to find out our loyal customers or to ensure that our company has loyal customers, because loyal customers earn more profit for your company. They are the ones who will talk about your company in a positive way, irrespective of you influencing them, because they are loyal to your company. They perceive your company as one of the best companies among the competitors. The method that I'm going to share with you today is a very interesting method, and from different books I will share this method with you. The concept is called RFM. RFM. Recency, frequency, and monetary value. In fact, in many books, it is only R and F, which is recency and frequency. I'll talk about the monetary value as well. What do you mean by recency, frequency, and monetary value? You being a company have to find out recency rate, frequency rate of the customers, and the monetary value of your customers. When you find that out, you would be able to find out which of your customers are loyal customers. Now, what is recency? Recency means that how recently the customers have visited your store, or how recently a particular customer has visited your company. Because the more recent the customer is, the more are the chances that that customer would be influenced by your marketing strategies, and then you'd be able to convert that customer into a retained customer and then to a loyal customer. So find out how many of your customers in a given time frame are recent customers, because they're the one that you have to focus on. The second one, frequency, which means that how often particular customer has visited your company in a given time frame. It means that how often the customers are visiting your company or buying your product. Find out the number of frequent customers in a given time frame, because they're the ones that we have retained and they're closer to be converted to the loyal customers. And I added one more, and why I added one more, it is from many books as well, but there is a reason behind it, and that is monetary value. What is monetary value? How much a customer has spent with you in a given time frame. How much business the customer have done with you. Now, there are many examples that I can give you in this particularly RFM strategy. Recent example of recent customers. Now, there are two customers. One customer have visited you yesterday, and the other customer have visited you last week, and after that you have not seen that customers. Now, which customer has a higher chance of loyalty to you? The customer who have visited you recently. But of course, it doesn't work alone. There is F and M attached with it as well. Now, there are two customers. One customer has visited you once in a month, and another customer has visited you every single week in a month, which means 4 times a week. So which customer has a higher frequency? The customer who have visited you more often have a higher frequency, hence that customer probably is a more loyal customer to your company. And the monetary value is the one that some scholars even focus more on, that especially those scholars who are more business oriented or who focus more on profitability of the organization, because monetary value is the business that the customer bring to your company. Now, if you have two customers and one customer has a monetary value of 100, whereas another customer have a monetary value of 1000, the customer with a 1000 monetary value is a customer which you should focus more on, because that customer is bringing more business to your company. But as I mentioned, you have to look at these three together: recency, frequency, and monetary value. So there is a customer who has given you a lot of business, $1,000, but you have not seen them recently and you have not seen them again. We in marketing have different type of customers. I have a video on that. I have a lecture on that. I will share the link in the description, or I put it in the card here as well, where you can see and you can go and watch it, the different types of customers and how can we entertain these different types of customers. The two common ones which are related to RFM are butterflies and true friends. Now, butterflies are those customers who are not loyal to your company, but they are the one who are spending a lot of money in your company, and they are called customers with a higher monetary value. Now, we also have other types of customers, like we have true friends. They are the ones who have a longer duration of stay with your company, which means that their loyalty projection is very high. They have been with your company for a long time, and they are the ones who are spending a lot of money with your company as well. So your job being a company is to find out those customers who have visited recently and the reason behind their recent visit, and those customers who are visiting frequently, and those customers who have spent a lot of money with you. These are the people who are your loyal customers, and these are the people who are bringing a lot of profit to your company. I normally tell people that the focus should not only be in bringing money, which is monetary value, but other aspects as well. For example, we have a type of loyalty which is called attitudinal loyalty, and attitudinal loyalty is more towards the feelings of a customer towards your company, the commitment of a customer towards your company. So there are a lot of benefits of attitudinal loyalty as well, but we cannot deny the importance of monetary value. In fact, if you have both of them, which is attitudinal and behavior loyalty, you have commitment and share of wallet, we call that a true loyal customer. That should be the target of the company. Stay tuned for more formulas and more strategies in order to find out loyal customers. I hope you're enjoying. Give me in the comments if you want to see more topics related to loyalty, and I'll try to cover and make videos on that. So see you in the coming videos. Bye.